Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start in Steam with your controller connected, and Steam Big Picture recognize it. First, open Steam Settings and go to Controller, then General Controller Settings. You enable the appropriate profile so Steam maps inputs correctly. Once done, return to Settings and open in-game or controller configuration for a specific game, because global settings differ from per-game overrides. Make sure Steam Overlay is enabled. Without it, custom bindings may not apply during play. You now edit the per-game configuration to ensure bindings match gameplay needs. Right-click the game, choose Properties, then Controller and open Manage Game Controller Configuration. This accesses Steam's layout editor. There, remap buttons by selecting a control and assigning the desired keyboard or controller input, create action sets for different modes, and test changes with the Test Input tool. Once satisfied, save the layout with a descriptive name so you can switch or restore. You finish by applying and testing your new bindings in-game. Always launch the game through Steam so Steam input is active. While playing, press Shift+Tab or use the Steam overlay to swap or revert layouts. This is faster than quitting. If bindings don't register, make sure other input utilities are closed, recalibrate the controller in Steam settings, and check for firmware updates. As a troubleshooting tip, disable third-party remappers first. They commonly intercept inputs and prevent Steam bindings from taking effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.